So Aditya, first of all, very very congratulations for your IIT JAM rank like 26, and the second thing is you are getting you are going to IIT Bombay. Okay, तो
Yes,
दोनों
sir.
के लिए आपको बहुत
Thanks
बहुत
a lot.
बधाई.
Thanks a
So
lot, sir.
okay, so Aditya, basically we are from where you are belongs, मतलब from which city?
Sir, I belong to Jhansi city in UP.
Okay, okay, that's great. And so my first question will be Aditya. So how was your journey from from school to BHU, then now IIT Bombay? So tell me about something about yourself.
So like I was enrolled in, I've done my all studies till class 12th in Jhansi only from English medium CBSE school. Then I took a 1 year drop for NDA preparation and all. And I thought about like I have given IIT JEE in class 12th also and in the top year also, but actually like I was not tilted much to going towards IIT. That time I was like going for NDA and all. I had option I have to go to IIT, but couldn't make it. So then, like I also gave exam of DHA UET and entrance exam. I cleared it and I took statistics as a subject because it is quite interesting. And then when I entered BHA, actually everything was online. So like I met Shashi sir through a Telegram chat, and Shashi sir told me about Supremum classes. So my journey started for IT from thereafter only. And here I've cleared it now.
Okay, that's great. So it was your drop year, or it was along with your?
So it was along with my bachelor's only.
Oh, that's great. It was very nice, na? Because some student take a drop year so that he can clear the jam. But in
Yes,
that,
sir.
so in appearing you cleared it. It was very good thing, and with a 26 rank, it is also very good thing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so my second thing will be my second question will be. So what was your schedule? See, because you are in the BHU and their syllabus
Yes,
and
sir.
everything will be there, and now
Hmm.
the IIT JAM part. So how you will manage
Yes, sir.
both things, college and JAM also?
So like when I started coaching, so my college went offline. In fact, the college went offline and coaching was started then only. I was like, I have joined Supremum from beginning only. So my college also went offline. Supremum also went. Supreme was running online. And what happened actually, semester four syllabus is a bit different of BHU. Semester five we have got inference, which matches with the IT JAM syllabus, inference a subject, and other subjects doesn't match. But what I used to do, like I used to do daily online classes. My first priority was to do online classes or be in regularly, like doing the classes regularly. Because if I have missed online classes, to do the recorded lecture as soon as possible and attempt the questions like 1 to 2 hours daily for attempting the questions with the sheets what sir has given. That has to be done. So like I manage this only. I used to do classes, attempt all the sheets, give the test. If I'm not able to give tests due to some reasons like university semester exams comes or assignments comes. So what I used to do, I used to like postpone for 3 to 4 days, but it was in my conscious to give the exam uh, as soon as possible I can give. So that was my strategy.
Okay, so you are from the regular batch, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So what will your suggestion for the student who want to join any coaching institute? So, what will be your suggestion to what he or she should have to see in that coaching institute? That what should be there?
I think so. Student must go for like first thing is the classes are good. Second thing, what material you are getting. Third is like support from the coaching. How like so would happen sometimes like I'm feeling down and all. So I used to call Sisi chef. So what should I do and all. So he used to guide me and like consistent. But it was a constant support from Supremum classes which has helped me to like clear this exam. Then fourth thing comes mock exams. Mock of Supreme classes were like best. They used to prepare me for everything. Everything guidance should be must very good because guidance is very necessary and devotion from student side is also necessary. If the student is not devoting much time to studies, so even no coaching can help.
Yeah, yeah,
So
that is
that's
the
the
great.
case.
That was
Yes,
the
sir.
nice answer because at this time point of time, na, a student got confused there because there are so much advertisement of different coaching institute. But I think your answer will help him to select the coaching institute. Okay.
Yes, sir. I
And
think
yeah.
Supremum classes is best because I've trusted it, sir. And really, like all the mocks exams, all the like, it's depend like what approach the coaching is giving you. The coaching is firstly, videos are going on lectures in a systematic way, topic by topic. Then you're getting topic by test, unit test. Then all the tests are combined in a one mid of the month or the end of the month. Like you have to give a big test of all the topics you have studied. That helps you to revise the concepts. Then regularly revision classes of the coaching of our Supreme classes, they helped me to like to help to be in touch with the concept regularly. Like Sunday there was revision classes and tests and all. When all the topics combines of like if maths is completed, then whole unit all unit test of maths. If stats is completed, the unit wise and the whole full length mock test. And then the last when November came, full length mock test was started, and along with PYQ test. So it all helped and consistency like from the coaching also and consistency from the student. It would work and a student would secure a good rank.
Okay, that's great. So I think main thing is that first, if you are interested in IIT exam, you should must have to visit such coaching institute which are dedicated for the student, which have dedication.
Yes, sir.
And second thing, you have to
Yes.
create your dedication toward the jam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that was
It
great
works
answer.
both ways. मतलब both things are necessary.
Okay, that's great.
And I think,
So
sir, Satish sir, he would make you work. Like if you have joined his coaching, so he would accept all the hard work of you through his all his works and all. I think that because he has motivated so much and होता है ना like कि हाँ input निकलवाना student से he has to do this, so he used to do this, so that's very necessary. His consistent calling once in a week or like twice in a week, it was very good. Like I
okay,
used to be like if I'm getting a bit distracted, exam has come a span of 15 to 20 days, I've not studied any lecture and all, so Sasha calls come, what are you doing, are you doing online classes or not, how you not going and all. So like it was a conscious he was giving me, okay, get back to studies now. So that also helps a lot.
sometime when you see your faculty is doing so much ना, you also get like आप भी शर्म में आ जाते हैं कि अरे यार सर इतना कर रहे हैं, मेरे को तो करना पड़ेगा ना, like that.
So that comes really.
Yeah, yeah, like that. So my last question will be Aditya. So what will be your message? Like, see, we are sitting on June, and I think like
Yes, sir.
200 or 210 days will be remaining for the next SAM exam. So what
Yes,
will
sir.
be your like message that that will motivate the 2024 aspirants for JAM?
Uh, First thing first, if you like really want to get into IT, start working now. Okay. And second thing, it comes sometimes like you are going through coaching materials or not. So what happens? You are not able to do questions sometimes. It is because you are not having a good clarity on the concepts. So again, revise your coaching lectures, ask to sir, discuss with friends, doubts. You get your doubts clear. This is the right time I think to start it. Get your doubts clear. Okay, then again attempt. Reattempt the question you are facing the difficulties. Like if you are doing a one particular book, do it 3 times. Consistency and repetition of the book matters. Discipline efforts daily. If you are devoting much time, 2 to 3 hours daily, 2 hours of coaching, 1 to 2 hours, like 4 hours are sufficient. Sometimes it would come like you are not able to devote that much hour to devote the next time you are getting a Sunday, you are getting holidays, devote the time. Also enjoy with family and friends, enjoy all functions, and yeah, um, like it should be in a conscious to study. Like if you really want to get into IT, so you should have a conscious, yeah, I really want to get into IT, so I should study what is being going on in my coaching and all, and I should join all the discussion classes. Every class is necessary. What happens if a test happens, so student might sometimes say, oh, why to do discussion class and all, I would clear them on my own, so that's not going to work. Everything matters of the coaching, and your efforts regularly in a systematic way what the coaching asking, do that, have a conscious, go through it everything. I think a student could make it very easily. 210 210 days is more than sufficient there.